So David, we're here at Groundswell on the Ecometric stand. What does Ecometric do?
We are a soil monitoring specialist, so we're supporting annual management decision making by farm management teams by monitoring how their soil carbon stocks are responding to the management plus weather.
Okay, so soil carbon, we've been talking about that a lot. How's Ecometric's offering different?
Well, firstly, we understand that this is all about primary crop production, so this isn't about commoditizing something for the carbon markets. That's the cherry on the cake, a secondary benefit. So organic carbon, organic nitrogen and water holding all move together. So if your soil carbon stocks are declining, you're also losing naturally available nitrogen and water holding. The water holding bit particularly pertinent as we've been too wet and too dry in about the last 6 months. So carbon and soil structure is what supports dealing with that. So we need to move to a system which is focusing on how the management cycle is affecting soil as the primary driver to management decisions, and yield becomes secondary to that, because if you get the soil bit right, you get the yield.
And you have always been very focused on the technology, the data. That's quite time consuming, isn't it? Does that make it expensive?
It has a cost for sure, because we take a lot of direct physical soil samples.
Yeah.
So the point is, there's lots of companies that will tell you you can do this remotely by satellite without any need for ground truth, and I'm afraid it's scientific nonsense. We would love that to be the case, because we are using satellite imagery and AI. But the point of the soil samples is you have to have directly measured data in every field to compare any remote assessment with, to make sure that you can quantify the accuracy. So our job becomes walking this tightrope between accuracy and affordability. It has to be affordable for the farmer to be part of the management cycle and to deliver ultimately a return on investment if carbon credits are issued and sold. But we have to not sacrifice the science, and we need to maintain quantifiable accuracy. Otherwise, when we release credits, they won't sell, or farmers, worse, will make decisions based on inaccurate false data, so they'll change a practice which they didn't need to change.